morning to all and happy Makar Sankranti. So today we're gonna make vision board. I know I am too late, but and मेरे पूरे इंस्टा रील्स में, मेरे पूरे इंस्टा फीड पे, पूरे यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स पे सिर्फ यही चीज़ है कि विजन बोर्ड विजन बोर्ड विजन बोर्ड विजन बोर्ड. तो आई थॉट कि अब बना ही लेते हैं. सो वी गोना मेक विजन बोर्ड. आई एम वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड. सो मैंने यहाँ पे लिस्ट डाउन कर दिया है मेरी डायरी पे कि व्हाट द गोल्स आई वांट टू अचीव दिस ईयर. So tell me if you want a separate video that how I made vision board on Canva. So yeah, so I made it. I will stick over here. So according to that we will make it. So I have taken, hey, this is my pouch. How is it? वहाँ पे बहुत धूप आ रही थी बालकनी में, तो मैं रूम में ही आ गई. दिस इज़ माई बेड. फ़िलहाल मेरी रूममेट नहीं है तो मैंने 2 गद्दे लगा दिए. इट्स सुपर कम्फी टू स्लीप. वैसे आई मेड स्मॉल प्रिंट आउट्स ऑफ एंड जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट गोल्स हैं उनके मैंने बड़े प्रिंट आउट्स निकाले हैं. वी गोना कट देम आउट.
First of all, I started cutting the big pieces and after that the small pieces one by one. After completing with the cutting process, I had glue with me and I also had some craft papers with me to start with the sticking process. I stick all my cutouts in a proper order. Though it was little lengthy process, but it was fun doing it. I really enjoyed a lot doing this session.
Finally guys, it's complete. My vision board is ready. I will make you show. Hey, meet this dolphin. My roomie's boyfriend gifted her. It's so cute. Note the mess. Ignore it. Let me show you. Hey, it's looking so Pinterest perfect, aesthetic. I liked it so very much. I don't know why, but it's awesome. मतलब I didn't thought कि इतना अच्छा आउटकम होगा इसका, but it's so lovely. It's so lovely. I loved it. Okay. So the first picture, as you can see, it's like editing, and in 2025 November I started my YouTube journey, and in this year I want to grow my YouTube channel. I want to make lots of videos, and not only lots of videos, I want to make lots of videos. I want to edit them, I want to put them on my channel. I want to grow. So that is the manifestation on the vision board. Like, okay, money, who doesn't love money? Bhai, pinky hai paise walo ki. Bhai, I love money. Work hard, earn your own money, and this year I will try my best to earn my own money. So yeah, money should be included in the vision board. Bhai. Okay, now this means this year I want to get more good marks. I want to score more good CGP in my college. So that is like, be focused, do your things, do YouTube, do shooting, do editing, but you should be also focused on your studies. You should also get good marks. Okay, this one is healthy food. Okay, I live in hostel. Healthy food थोड़ा सा इम्पॉसिबल चीज़ हो जाती है. हॉस्टलाइट्स विल रिलेट की बीइंग अ न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट स्टूडेंट. हेल्दी डाइट मेंटेन करना थोड़ा सा इम्पॉसिबल हो जाता है बीइंग लाइक लिविंग इन हॉस्टल. बट आई विल ट्राई कि मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्दी खाऊं और हेल्दी डाइट फॉलो करूं. या सो hey, this one, I will take care of my skin. I'm not into that much skincare because I personally believe eat fruits, eat healthy. It's all I believe. Like, लगाने से अच्छा, स्किन केयर करने से अच्छा, eat those things. Eat it and provide your body those things which will make you naturally glow. Okay. Princess. No, bitch. I'm a queen. Okay, now why I have stick it over here, why it's on my vision board, because so it's okay to be bitch sometimes. kind first. Of course, you should be kind first, and you can be bitch later. But be bitch to someone those who are bitch to you, but be kind to someone those who are kind to you. But अच्छाई करने से आपको अच्छाई नहीं मिल रही है, then be a bitch. I will suggest you that, the life will get better if you get bitch. This means it's a Netflix something you can see. इट मीन्स कि मैं कभी भी सीरीज़ कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाती हूँ. मैं मूवी कंप्लीट कर लेती हूँ बट सीरीज़ कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाती हूँ बिकॉज आई एम जस्ट सो इम्पेशेंट कि मैं कंप्लीट ही नहीं कर पाती हूँ. मैंने वैम्पायर डायरी स्टार्ट किया था बट मैंने ख़त्म ही नहीं कर पाई. लॉट्स ऑफ और भी बहुत सारे हैं. मैं मनी हाइस्ट मैंने स्टार्ट किया था, मनी हाइस्ट में मैं ख़त्म नहीं कर पाई. विजन बोर्ड में ये इंक्लूड करना ज़रूरी है कि इस बार मैं फालतू की बातें ना करके, फालतू की गॉसिप ना करके मैं अपने सीरीज़ कंप्लीट करूँगी. इस बार बहुत सारे सीरीज़ कंप्लीट करूँगी. Okay, everything is done, I think. Oh, no. Oh, I will make good friends this year. I will try to, connect with more people, with more good and real people. Those who will support me, na ki they will demoralize me. So, that's a wish कि मैं इस साल कुछ अच्छे दोस्त बनाऊँ. Okay. Next is this is a hand of a man and this is a child. This symbolizes that I'm very connected to my Baba. I love him so very much. He loves me so very much. So this symbolizes that my love for him and his endless sacrifices for me. Okay, of course it's Bombay. I want to go to Bombay. Bombay is like dream. I want to go to Mumbai. I want to see that Taj Hotel बाहर से. I want to go to Juhu Beach, Marine Drives. ऐसा कहते हैं कि अगर बॉम्बे आपको 20s में बुलाती है तो यू शुड विजिट बॉम्बे बिकॉज बॉम्बे चेंजेस यू अ लॉट. एंड आई रियली वॉन्ट टू विजिट बॉम्बे. द लास्ट वन जो मुझे नहीं रखना था बट मैंने फिर रख दिया कि इफ़ लव एवर फाइंड्स मी, आई जस्ट वॉन्ट it to be calm, respectful, peaceful, not that chaotic and stressful and so much of lots of drama. I just want the love to be quiet, calm, loving, caring, protective. That's it. Okay, if I get my man, I just want to dance under the sky with him with my favorite songs. Okay, that's it. Okay, I have some quotes also. That's be healthy, of course, stay healthy, be fit. Okay, I'm strong. I know I'm strong. I'm just strong. Okay, just don't give up. Just don't give up. It's okay, girl. Everything will get sorted out at the end. Just don't give up. You're too close. You're going. Keep going. Okay, that's all. I hope you liked my vision board, but if you didn't like it, I like it. It's so nice. I'm so obsessed with this right now. I'm just so obsessed. I know I'm too late, but I loved it. That's all for today. I hope you like my video. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. And if you want more such videos, please do support. Okay, with this, signing off. Bye guys. Love.